Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet 3100 killer truck, guys. I bought this thing locally from a guy, great guy. He has spent 7 years building this truck. Never wanted to sell it. Unfortunately, sorry, flag's waving at me here. His wife and his health, he's just getting older, and unfortunately he had to sell it. But man, he put a ton of money in this truck and documented everything. We have like 4 or 5 folders full of receipts and brochures on everything that he did. It's all steel. It's a complete frame off restoration. I actually have the pictures of this truck right down to the frame. Gorgeous color combination, tuxedo black paint. I think it's one of the best looking trucks out there. This is just a killer truck. You can see he put custom headlights in it. It also has a billet grill. That's the one thing I can tell you. I'm not a big billet grill guy, but you know, if you want the factory grill back in them, they're available. But I mean, that's a look he was looking for. All LED lighting. It's got all painless wire system. Again, truck's all steel, no fiberglass panels on it. All new tinted glass. He said when he went through all the regulators, he said all that stuff's brand new. He had never had the truck since it was painted. He never had the truck cut and buffed. So I just had it wet sand and wheeled from Marlin down an OMG, detailing down the street. We also had him put a ceramic coat. We did paint protection, or paint correction, and a ceramic coat put on it. That's an Amish Oak bed. He bought the wood, had the Amish do it. Of course, it's got the stainless strips. It's got a custom 16-gallon fuel tank in it. Again, all LED lighting. These are actually backup lights. He put a little switch on the center console in there so that it would have backup lights. Of course, in 56, they didn't have backup lights. Not a whole lot you can pick, but there are a couple little marks in the paint. Truck is just slick, sits good. I thought I might want a bigger wheel and tire, but I'll tell you what, it looks good. I wouldn't mess with them. Great truck though, really good truck. There's hardly any miles on it. And what he said is he got the truck together, got an engine done for it, paid a guy a bunch of money to have a motor built, and he said it never ran right. So he ended up pulling that motor out, completely building another engine for it. I think he said there's about 500-600 miles on this engine. So he has kind of broke it in. But like I say, the truck never really got completed until we bought it. It's got a TCI front suspension on it with power rack and pinion steering. It's got tubular control arms. This is a GM Performance crate block. Then it's a full roller engine. Dart aluminum heads, quick fuel, dual feed 4-barrel Edelbrock intake, ceramic headers. Again, it's full roller. He said it runs at 180, 190 all day long. And that was the problem, he said, with the other engine. It just ran too hot. Complete custom aluminum radiator in it with electric fan. It's got the serpentine pulley system. Again, tubular control arms with adjustable coil-overs. Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. Power steering, or power rack and pinion steering. It's got a Pro Billet distributor in it. 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. It's got a switch in there for the lockup converter. He did the cream brackets and hood hinges to kind of tie in with the interior as he did it. He said everything was black and he just didn't like that. I'm trying not to forget it. Deep oil pans, both oil pan and trans pan. Oh, I'm trying not to forget everything. Again, he's got a listing in there of everything done to it. Like I said, Dart aluminum heads. Again, you can see the slotted and drilled Wilwood disc brakes. Slick truck. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, all the glass is new. New door handles, new door rubbers. That is a TMI leather seat. Of course, super comfortable. This company makes great stuff. Lokar shifter, Lokar pedals, chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got all Autometer gauge cluster. I think we still have to program the speedo if I remember right. It's got a vintage tach. I thought that was pretty cool. It's got a complete custom sound system for it in there. Looks like factory. You can see the plug-in for a Bluetooth. There's also something right there for it. Can't remember what he said that's for. But it's got custom speakers everywhere. Good sound. Great sound. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just trying not to forget the stuff that he told me. Magnaflow stainless dual exhaust system. It has it's a 10-bolt rear end. I can't remember the company that did it. It's got Yukon axles in it, 373 posi rear gear. It's 4-link rear suspension with adjustable coilovers. Painless wiring system. I'm trying to remember everything this guy did. It's got the chrome Borla tips. Like I said, it's 16-gallon fuel cell. Just a good looking truck. The 8-ball shifter, I thought that was pretty cool. Vintage, I think I said it's got vintage air blows cold. He's got them marked too. There's a lockup for the converter there, electric fan, and then the one all the way to the right I know is for the backup lights. Just a neat truck, man. It sounds like the collector. Truck just runs and drives. Runs and drives free. Maybe just kick chair on, it blows cold. See, we actually just had that charged. He actually never ran it. That's what I'm saying. It's there's hardly any miles really on this truck.
It's blowing ice cold now.
Yeah, it blows cold. Again, you can see it's holding good oil pressure. All the gauges work. We do have to reprogram the gauge there, the speedo gauge. All LED lighting, which is really cool. Like I say, there is, yeah, there it goes. There, LED backup lights. This is cool, man. Just neat little idea. Radio works. Well, the air is nice. Blows ice cold. I don't know about the wipers. I think there's a switch in there for the wipers. We'll check them. Again, all LED custom lighting. Yeah, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. I know everybody's getting upset. We're not getting videos done. Guys are selling them before we can get them advertised, but I'm doing the best I can, guys. I'm trying to get them done. Good sounding cam.